Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we break down important health topics to keep you and your loved ones informed and healthy. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are tackling a topic that's on the minds of many. Yes, we are talking about dementia. You may have wondered, is dementia hereditary, or worried about your own risk because your family member had it. The connection between genetics and dementia is complex, but today we will unpack what scientists know about how certain types of dementia can run in families and what it could mean for you and your loved ones. So let's dive in. So let's see what is dementia. Dementia is actually an umbrella term for several types of brain conditions that cause memory loss, confusion, and changes in personality. The most common types include Alzheimer disease, vascular dementia, and frontotemporal dementia. While lifestyle and environmental factors can play a big role, some forms of dementia do indeed have a genetic link. So first, let's talk about why some types of dementia are hereditary. Our genes, those tiny packets of DNA we inherit from parents, contain the instructions for how our cells should function. In some cases, changes or mutation in certain genes can increase the risk of developing dementia. Alzheimer disease and genetics have also a connection. Alzheimer disease, the most common form of dementia, has both genetic and non-genetic forms. About 60 to 80% of people with dementia have Alzheimer, and while most cases are not directly inherited, there is a rare form called familial Alzheimer disease or FAD. So, in familial Alzheimer disease, mutations in specific genes like APP, PSEN1, and PSEN2 can cause symptoms to appear earlier in life, often in people as young as 30s or 40s. If you have a close relative with FAD, there is a 50% chance you could inherit this mutation, increasing your risk. But remember, early onset familial Alzheimer is extremely rare, accounting for less than 1% of all Alzheimer cases. The more common type of Alzheimer, late onset, is not directly inherited. However, one gene, APOE4, can increase your risk. Having one or two copies of this gene can make it more likely you will develop Alzheimer, though it's not a guarantee. So, frontotemporal dementia and genetic links are. Frontotemporal dementia or FTD is another form of dementia where genetics may play a larger role. It tends to affect younger people, usually between 40 and 60, and it causes more changes in personality and behavior than memory loss. So, scientists have also found that mutation in genes like MABTs, GRN, can cause familial frontotemporal dementia. If a parent carries one of these mutations, their child have 50% chance of inheriting it. Unlike with Alzheimer, the genetic influence is stronger in FTD, meaning family history is more likely to be a factor. But similar to Alzheimer's, not all cases of FTD are hereditary. Many people develop the condition without any known family history. So it's a mix of genetic predisposition and other factors we still don't fully understand. So let's understand genetic testing. Now you might wonder, should I get tested if dementia runs in my family? So genetic testing is available, but it's a highly personal decision. Knowing you carry a dementia-related gene can give you important information, but it also carries the emotional weight. For those considering genetic testing, a genetic counselor can help you weigh the pros and cons and navigate any potential impact on your mental health, family planning, and lifestyle choices. Remember, if you have a gene mutation, there is no guarantee you will develop dementia. And if you don't carry the gene, it doesn't mean you are completely immune. So, what are the preventive measures from this? While we may not control our genes, we can control our lifestyle. Studies show that healthy choices can help reduce the risk of dementia, regardless of genetic factors. So, regular physical activity, a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, mental stimulation, and social engagement can all play a supporting role in brain health. So, even if the dementia is in your family, there are powerful steps you can take to protect your brain healthy and possibly delay to prevent the symptoms. So, dementia, especially when it has a genetic component, can feel daunting, but understanding your risk and taking proactive steps can make a world of difference. If you are concerned about dementia running in your family, consider talking to a healthcare provider about genetic counseling and remember that your lifestyle choices can empower you. So thank you so much for joining us on Lakhan Tanoni Fitness. If you found this information helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share this video with anyone who may benefit from learning about hereditary dementia. And let us know in the comments what questions do you have about brain health and genetic risk factors. Your question and experiences help keep these important conversations going. Until next time, take care, stay informed, and live well. I will see you in the next video.